In a cold winter, sometimes a young man's mind wanders to the lost loves in his life. So sometimes he has to just go out there and find that lost love again and get her back, no matter what. The problem is, he forgot why he got rid of her. He forgot that she was slow and ugly. So then he takes her to the beauty shop for an estimate, only to find out she can't be saved. Seriously?
Yeah, fixing the METHBIRd, Dad.
You brought the METHBIRD back?
Yes.
You get rid of the METHBIRd.
Yeah, but the METHBIRd was a good moneymaker. The METHBIRD's a good vehicle. So I'm fixing on it. This is the glow up of the METHBIRd.
I thought we got rid of the METHBIRd.
We did get rid of it. Just not permanently.
And you felt the need.
I did feel the need. It's great.
And you're getting ready to do some serious body fill work, ain't you?
I'm telling you, it's only going to need a skim coat.
Why not just fill that with Bondo?
Yeah, I mean...
Good enough for the girls you date.
That's a fact, but that's besides the point. I feel like the METHBIRd needs to be a...
I hate to break this to you, but that's going to need more welding than that.
I know that.
It's going to be a pretty hard pull.
Yeah, I'm aware. I was kind of tempted just to cut that bit of the car, to be honest with you, and just remake, but...
It'll pull. Actually, it should pull.
We'll try.
I've pulled worse.
I have low.
You're probably going to have to cut that off after and weld it down lower.
Yes.
And finish your pull, but...
Yeah, I think so.
If we hook it to the tractor bucket, we can actually pull kind of uphill.
Yeah.
It might actually get it, but...
Yeah. No, I figure we'll bring it out and we'll strap it to something, come along the shit out of it.
Yeah.
Or just, pick the bucket of the tractor.
Actually, just back the truck up and hook the chain to it and then drive ahead real quick.
That's a good idea.
You should pull it out and actually jerk the
you know
bracket
what?
right
To
off it in
finish
one shot.
the full homeless restoration, we're going to hook it to the Roadmaster. And you can video it and everything. It'll be great.
Hook it to the Roadmaster and do what?
To pull.
To pull? You'll pull the back end off the Roadmaster.
No, the Roadmaster's a rig. Dog, get out of here.
It's a rotten
Go,
dog.
Dad. Go. What are we doing?
Pull it. I thought it was pretty obvious.
Hang on, I'm fat. Just let me lean on this. Gotta go a skosh more, I think. It's getting there though.
I think I need a hammer.
I'm gonna just give that a whack and see if it relieves stress. Very nice. Come back with a body hammer.
Nice little hammer.
Yeah, nice little body hammer.
Weld back down here and
Definitely. Definitely.
Just trying to relieve it just a little.
Metal doesn't look too stressed up there.
Oh, it's in up here. It's got a little stress. It's pulling it outside. We're gonna have to kind of lean on it. I might give it a little tug with the tractor.
Yeah, we're getting into a little bit more of the tearing business there now, I think. It's starting to kind of tear down there.
A little bit. Let's check it.
You want to just lift the bucket up a little bit? Give it a slight.
This angle right here, the door jam, actually doesn't look that bad. I'm thinking we may have pulled there.
Yeah, pulled the door jam
Enough.
back. Wow, like that is way different.
I want to undo this. I want to put the door up. I'll close the door and we'll see.
Okay. It won't pass. Look at
No,
almost.
it won't pass the hook right now. Oh yeah, it will. Wouldn't before. I tried it.
That really looks very close.
Sure to get that door hung on there completely straight either.
No. Cody, the hung door on there just as a...
I think now we'll weld that crossways here and pull that.
That actually came out fairly well.
We got, like, this is way out.
Yeah,
Right.
that's super high.
I can't do anything with it until we bring this.
Yeah.
Then we can kind of work that in.
You want to leave that on there so we have it as a reference and make another smaller hook for there? Or?
I don't think we're going to pull here anymore. I don't think take it off and just reuse this one.
Okay. Curious when you let it go. Didn't change at all. That's perfect.
There, you got so many angles, I don't think it will.
Yeah, no. All right. Well, we'll go on to the second pull now, I guess. Alrighty. So we're on our second pull now. Or meow, as some YouTubers would say. Oh, yeah.
Okay, now.
Meow, we hit right up there. Probably about there.
Seriously?
Is that too much?
I think I'll be...
Oh, it's like a nice body hammer you have there, Dad.
Omar might have its place.
What's that? What would you call a hammer?
No more.
Oh, like no more dent on the car. There's no more dent on it.
This is a bit of a challenge right here.
Yeah. In fairness, there's nothing really behind it to back it, right?
It really, it's all kind of...
Like skin's pulled here.
Yeah, it needs help.
I mean, hey, that's doing a lot. Holy shit. Talk about changing the shape of the wheel arch.
Just this lip.
Yeah, that lip is
Like, this runs
really
off.
lost its...
How is that made on the other side?
Good question.
Yeah, it holds.
Yeah, it holds pretty
It
firm.
expands a bit.
I mean, to me, it should
It
probably get
expands a bit.
pick it there kind of thing a little bit.
I almost will need some stud pull.
Yeah, I think we're definitely going to have some stud pulling to do.
And it really needs a little in here and in here.
Yeah.
We almost could get that hook and pull it.
Pull that wheel arch.
Yeah, just pull it right here in a little bit. Lower that bucket down so it's pulling flat.
Yep. It actually has a lot more shape.
Pull it a little more.
Sure.
Alright.
I feel like that's plenty.
Dragging a car.
That actually looks better.
Yeah, it's coming. You don't have that vertical. But like this is wide here. See this? Like,
yeah.
Like we got some real shit going on there. So I say if we can hit you on and pull this, take a little more fill than you really want to use. But I mean, it's the METHBIRD, so.
I mean, it won't actually be that bad. By the time we get done stud pulling it and stuff, I mean.
No, that's it.
We'll have maybe max 1/4 inch Bondo, which is bad, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's an 80s Firebird. Would, like, honestly, who really cares?
Well, it's a challenge that you'd like to.
Yeah, it's a challenge, yes, and it'll be fairly nice, but I'm just thinking we don't have to go full SEMA. Well, speaking of SEMA, those are some SEMA welds right there.
Have you seen the SEMA stuff up close?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's terrible, actually. So I guess we'll probably... Are you going to get that hook and try and pull on the wheel arch, or no?
Yeah, I don't know. I got to find that thing, that flat hook.
So we're going to try that. And, yeah, then some stud pulling. She'll be a beaut. Hello there.
Holy sheep shit, Batman. It's coming out.
Oh, it's crazy.
That is quite a difference.
It almost looks
Presentable.
shape, kind of. I mean, I wouldn't say presentable. I mean,
Well,
but I mean,
my God, from where it was.
yeah.
You wouldn't think that was the same quarter panel.
She's coming. Still got to do my lip. Take the wheel off and
Yeah. That's no big
make the
deal.
lip square, but
That's simple compared to the
I
rest
mean,
of it.
it'll pretty well fill fairly well now.
Considering you had a 6-inch dent there behind the door.
Probably just about, honestly. It was
You stove in there pretty good.
like it really
A
was.
bit over this hump, is it? That's all right, eh?
It's all right. It's fine.
Hell, that'll finish in actually pretty easy.
It doesn't actually feel like it.
It pays to take the time now, though, because it'll save you a lot on body fill.
Oh, hell yeah.
You're going to have to still bring this down in here because it's like a little wider. Even might be bulged a little there. You'll have to kind of massage it.
I'll see when I actually sanding it too, right?
Yeah.
I'll see some stuff because I mean I feel like that lip needs to come up a little bit. I'm almost tempted to weld a couple studs.
You're going to need to bring that out just a hair there, but you also need to bring the other part down just a hair.
Yeah, I know for sure.
God. It's almost a shame to make the METHBIRD nice.
I wouldn't say it's gonna be nice. It'll be.
I think we should leave the red door and the black fender.
Oh yeah, that's great, Dad.
I mean, it's kind of what makes the METHBIRD the METHBIRD.
And that tiger stripes.
Tiger stripes. Scrappy will,
What's wrong with you?
Scrappy will stripe it for
Are you
you.
broken, Scrappy? Are you broken? Mentally?
I think she was born broken mentally.
Very possible. Yeah, I had to make our other slide hammer into a slide hammer for this because
Couldn't find it.
couldn't find the other one. So
Look at this garbage.
mint garbage.
It ain't near as garbagey as it was.
Old Snow White is coming together, ladies and gentlemen.
I think it's Snowflake because it's easily offended.
It looks sad right now. Its lights are up. It's like.
Still has rubber on the back bumper where the axle broke and rubbed the slick on the back bumper. But for a really beat up quarter panel, it's really not half bad. That won't take a hell of a lot of fill. That'll be right in shape. Ain't bad though.
I don't know.
It'll come in pretty easy.
So that's just like that's a softball amount about between everywhere. So I mean, it's not thick anywhere. Kind of seeing what the shape is, so you go ahead with this.
It'll come in fairly close other than that one spot.
Yeah. Oh, I
Which
just
is-
ran out of fill.
Yeah, well, it's also the worst spot that we had, you know. So it makes sense. Look at your non-restoration here on your simple
I'm losing circulation.
job you're doing. What are you trying to do?
Take the part of the hatch off.
You trying to cut the glue out?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Fun restoration.
You've done a lot of tearing apart for a quickie paint job, just saying. It's gone from a quickie to a fairly quickie.
Yeah, but we've added more people. Sure.
More fun for the whole family, really.
Why are you doing that?
Yeah, I'm putting this I'm putting it down.
The moral of the story is, don't look for the end of this project anytime soon.
Why? Look at it. Looks good.
It's officially in storage. Completely torn apart. Stripped of bare metal. Someone lost their freaking mind.
But it looks good.
We need to find a hood.
We did all the sandblasting. All the channels have been blasted and everything, so there's no...
Nice quickie paint job.
Well, yeah. But it's because if not, we're going to paint it. There's going to be paint coming off it everywhere.
Yeah, the hood's a piece.
The hood's garbage.
Don't feel like dealing with that any way, shape, or form. Need to find a hood. Other than that, got all the pieces. Most of the accessories are what, 50% ready for primer?
Yeah, I'd say.
So a couple more days.
I got probably, honestly, if I had a full day today on the doors and the fenders, I'd probably have everything almost
All
done.
that shit primed.
But yeah, that's kind of the idea. I want it primed by the end of the week. And
This looks like a part 2, part 3.
yeah, part 5.
Yeah.
Kind of deal.
Yeah. So, yeah, somebody lost his freaking mind. Gonna make the METHBIRD into something fancy now.
Make meth great again.
It's gonna lose all of its, you know, what made it great is gone.
No, not at all. What made it great was the stock LS swab.
No, it was a beater.
Yeah, it's
Low buck stock LS
still
swap.
gonna be a low buck stock LS.
Only because you can do the work.
Yeah, 100%.
It's not gonna be a low buck for anybody else.
Well, fuck anybody else. I mean, well, you'll have to edit that out. Quack anybody else.